Okay, here we go. We're going to use two really popular tools, processing and Max, to create an interactive, uh, really interesting potential experiment here, okay? So the potential is huge. The example is pretty straightforward. We're going to have code running over here in processing that uses the OSC protocol, and through that, you can make decisions and very easily do all kinds of video and creative manipulations with sophisticated mathematics in this window, right, using the processing. But you've opened up a connection to a specific port on a specific computer somewhere on the internet. Over on that computer, you can have Max running, and Max is a processing language for working with audio and is integrated into Ableton Live. So anything you have happening in Ableton Live, we can address any kind of parameter in there, any track, any clip, make really far-ranging adjustments to things in real time, and all of that can be triggered from what's happening on the video display that you've created over on this computer. So we're right now just running to the home address of 127.0.0.1. Okay, so this is all going to, both computers, both processes are happening on the same computer here in my basement. We're going to just randomly pick a port number, 6669, and then draw a bouncing ball. But when the ball hits the bottom or the boundary of a screen, we're going to send an OSC message to this computer at this port. At that point, the code will come over here to where we're listening to receive messages on 6669. And then we're going to grab the specific OSC message bounce. OSC messages are really kind of cool, and they end up just looking like regular text in a URL. So it's a pretty human-friendly protocol to be using. So if we get the bounce message, then come down, trigger this bang button, go into this playlist, pick clip 1, and play the sound. Okay, we could route many other messages to different pathways in Max based on the OSC message that happened on exactly what was going on in our animation over here. We could trigger multiple playlists, items out of this playlist or a sequential playlist. But let's just see what we have now. We'll run this, and here's our processing window. And every time that we have an interaction against the boundary here, the OSC message comes across. The bounce tag is on it, so it gets routed down this path. There's the bang happening, and 1 tells the playlist to play the first clip. So while it's simple, the potential for what this points to is unbelievable. And I'm really looking forward to seeing students at Monco create amazing things. All right, thanks.